Hey, Keller Williams, Metro South. I bet you're a bit like me and you're a big fan of the Exactly What to Say book by Phil M. Jones. And if that's the case, then mark your calendars now for May 20th because I am coming to you. I am Nicole Kramer. I'm an Exactly What to Say certified guide, and I am bringing the work of Phil M. Jones directly to you in a workshop on May 20th. What will we be learning in this workshop? Well, we're going to be learning how to clearly articulate our value so that more of our conversations are turning into clients and referrals and opportunities. We're also going to really understand the power of negotiation and what Phil's 9 steps are to negotiating effectively. And then we're going to have some fun with the phrases. We'll do a little role play, we'll do some practice, and we'll take a deeper dive into understanding what to say, when to say it, and how to make it count. But here's the thing, spots are limited, so make sure you grab your spot now. It's all happening on May 20th. It's gonna be super fun, super engaging, and you're gonna walk away with exactly what you need to turn more of your conversations into clients and make more of your conversations count. So get signed up, and I will see you on May 20th.